And the next one, we have the contact tag. So for contact tag, we can be able to create different tags which we can assign to different contacts. So if you decide to import a contact in, you can be able to assign tags to that contact, so you can be able to identify them. And also remember that when we were starting this tutorial, we said that we can be able to filter contacts based on their tags. So you can create a tag, and when you click on create, you can also decide to add in your tag name. So let's just add this as website. So this is website leads, and you can decide to add in a description, and you can add in something like this is the leads coming from websites or whatever works for you. And you can also decide to add in a color for this tag, and you can pick from the various colors that they have in here. And when you pick in a color and you click on create, your tag is going to be created in that color. You can also decide to assign a tag to existing contacts if you want. So you can go to check, you can pick in on this contact, and you can decide to add this contact to that particular tag. And when you click on assign, the tag is going to be assigned to those contacts. You can also go back. You can also go back and click on more, and you can decide to edit this tag, or you can also decide to delete this tag. And this is the tag, this is the two contacts I just added these tags to. And as you can see, when you click on this particular tag, you can see all of those contacts who have that particular tag.